Hi friends, here are some 101 GK question and answers. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon next to it.
Who is the current President of India? Answer Ramnath Kovind. Which place is known as the Tea Garden of India? Answer Assam. Which protein is present in milk? Answer casein. What is the name of the virus that spreads COVID-19 disease? Answer SARS-CoV-2. Who is the originator of the word Kerala, God's own country? Answer Walter Mendes. The longest river in India? Answer Ganga. Who wrote the national anthem Jana Gana Mana? Answer Rabindranath Tagore. Which bird cannot fly? Answer ostrich. Which part of the brain is known as the little brain? Answer cerebellum. Which is the fastest vehicle? Answer aeroplane. The gas that causes the cancer that comes out when the plastic burns? Answer dioxin. Which is the most migratory bird? Answer Arctic tern. Who is the Prime Minister known as the Man of Peace? Answer Lal Bahadur Shastri. Largest blood group in the world? Answer O group. Who was the first President of India? Answer Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The unit measure of intelligence? Answer IQ. Which festival is known as the Festival of Flowers? Answer Onam. Which is the largest bird in the world? Answer ostrich. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Answer Neil Armstrong. First man to climb Mount Everest? Answer Tenzing Norgay. How many days are there in a leap year? Answer 366. Taj Mahal is on the banks of? Answer Yamuna. Who started the Missionaries of Charity movement? Answer Mother Teresa. Which country is the largest producer of gold? Answer China. Which is the largest desert in India? Answer Great Thar Desert. The smallest state in India? Answer Goa. Name the gas found in the most abundance in our planet's atmosphere. Answer nitrogen. Which is the smallest bird? Answer hummingbird. Which is the largest animal in the world? Answer blue whale. How many weeks are there in 1 year? Answer 52. Who was the first Nobel Prize winner? Answer Rabindranath Tagore. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Answer Jawaharlal Nehru. A piece of land surrounded by water called? Answer island. Which organ purify our blood? Answer kidney. National bird of India? Answer peacock. Which planet is known as the blue planet? Answer Earth. How many wonders do we have in the world? Answer 7. Which is the national game of India? Answer hockey. Who discovered aeroplane? Answer Wright brothers. Which language is used by the computer to process data? Answer binary language. How much of Earth's surface is covered by ocean? Answer 71%. ATM stands for Automated Teller Machine. Which is the largest country in the world? Answer Russia. The fastest animal in the world? Answer cheetah. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Answer Mount Everest. On whose memory Nobel Prize is awarded? Answer Alfred Nobel. Which is the capital of India? Answer Delhi. Which is the hardest substance available on earth? Answer diamond. What is the pH value of water? Answer pH 7. What is the pH of blood? Answer 7.40. Which tree is known as national tree of India? Answer banyan tree. Which planet is nearest to Earth? Answer Venus. Which country is known as the land of rising sun? Answer Japan. Which acid is there in lemon? Answer citric acid. Which is a disease known as Black Death? Answer plague. What is the full form of news? Answer north, east, west, south. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Answer Jupiter. How many states are there in India? Answer 29. What is the position of Earth in solar system? Answer third position. Which bird is the universal symbol of peace? Answer dove. Child specialist called? Answer pediatrician. Which is the longest written constitution in the world? Answer India. Which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? Answer nitrogen. The largest democracy in the world? Answer India. Which is the smallest country in the world? Answer Vatican City. Where atom bomb was first dropped? Answer Hiroshima. Which is the nearest star to planet Earth? Answer Sun. The largest ocean in the world? Answer Pacific Ocean. Which are the colors in a rainbow? Answer violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Which continent is known as the dark continent? Answer Africa. The largest desert in the world? Answer the Sahara, North Africa. Which planet is known as red planet? Answer Mars. Which is the longest river on the earth? Answer Nile, Egypt. Who invented the computer? Answer Charles Babbage. Who invented electric bulb? Answer Thomas Alva Edison. Who found the concept of gravitation for the first time? Answer Isaac Newton. Which month of the year has the least number of days? Answer February. Which Indian woman was the first to win the Nobel Prize? Answer Mother Teresa. Which is the largest state of India? Answer Rajasthan. Which city is known as Pink City? Answer Jaipur. Name the first female Indian astronaut. Answer Kalpana Chawla. Which metropolitan city in India has the largest rate of atmospheric pollution? Answer Delhi. Which place is known as the land of white elephant? Answer Thailand. Plants make food through the process of? Answer photosynthesis. Which color symbolizes peace? Answer white. What type of gas do plants absorb? Answer carbon dioxide. How many union territories are there in India? Answer 9 union territories. The sun sets in the? Answer west. The place where animals are kept called? Answer zoo. How many layers are in Earth's atmosphere? Answer 5 layers. How many continents are there in the world? Answer 7 continents. What is called blue gold? Answer water. What is study of universe is known? Answer cosmology. World Environment Day celebrated in? Answer June 5. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Answer Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. How many spokes are in Ashoka Chakra? Answer 24. Animals that live on land and in water called? Answer amphibians. Color of black box in aeroplane? Answer orange. What is the mechanism for purifying blood with machine? Answer dialysis. Which part of the brain controls the balance of the body? Answer thalamus. Which is the tallest building in the world? Answer Burj Khalifa, Dubai.
So did you like my video? Please like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon next to it. Thanks for watching.